First, go to search, type CMD, right click on it, run as administrator, click yes, type the following command with me. You can copy this command from description also. Click enter. Successfully flush the DNS resolver cache. Your problem will be solved. If it is not solved, follow the second way. Open your browser, type the command with me, chrome colon dot that forward slash net hyphen internals forward slash hash HSTS. Go to delete domain security policy. Delete domain security policy. Under domain, type localhost. Localhost, delete. Your problem will be fixed. If it is not fixed, follow the third way. You have to turn off your window firewall off. For this, open control panel. Click on window. Click on Windows Defender Firewall here. Turn Window Defender Firewall on off. Click here. Private network setting. Turn off Window Defender Firewall. Public network setting. Turn off Window Defender Firewall. Click here. Click on OK. Your problem will be fixed. If it is not fixed, follow the fourth way with me. Go to Chrome or any web browser. Download XAMPP. Download according to your system. This is the option for downloading. You can download any setup. After downloading, open the XAMPP. I have already downloaded, so I am not downloading it again. Now go to next stat option here. See, our port number 80 has been already used by any other system or other software. So we have to choose another port for our system or our device. For this, open Window Explorer. Address C XAMPP Apache conf. Here you have to find the file name httpd.conf. This file. Right click on it. Open with any editor. Choose editor. I am choosing Notepad. You can choose any editor. Now press Ctrl H. It is for searching. Find listen. Find listen. Under listen, that new port which you want to use. I am writing 8081. Now search server name. Again change port 8081, save the file, restart your XAMPP, and your problem will be fixed. That's all in this video guys. If you like my video, please hit like to subscribe my channel.